Chapter 1 Universe and Us. The universe or space. The universe or space is the huge and endless expansion of millions and millions of stars with all the heavenly bodies which are known as galaxies. During the daytime, the vast sky looks blue with clouds, but actually it is not blue. In fact, the sky around the Earth is just a vast space. The Earth is surrounded by the layers of air called atmosphere, which contains humidity and clouds. In the sky, we see the sun during daytime while the stars and the moon in the dark and clear night. Space and the Earth. In the universe, our Earth is a tiny part of the galaxy called Akash Ganga or Milky Way. Including our Earth, the sun, the moon and the stars, all are heavenly celestial bodies. Our Earth is one of the 8 planets of the solar system, which revolves around the sun on a fixed path with its natural satellite, the moon. The Earth completes its rotation in 24 hours. The sun. The sun, which is at the center of our solar system, is a star. Stars are huge glowing balls of fire. They have light and heat of their own. The planets, asteroids, meteoroids and comets move around the sun. The sun is closer to our planet Earth and so looks bigger than other stars. The other stars which appear smaller to us are far away from our Earth. In fact, some of these stars are bigger than the sun. We cannot see the stars during the day because of the brightness of the sun. The sun shines brightly because of the burning of 2 gases, hydrogen and helium. The heat and the light of the sun is just enough to allow living things to survive on Earth. You might have noticed groups of stars forming patterns in the night sky. Such groups of stars are called constellations. Some of the known constellations are the Scorpio, Orion, Ursa Minor, Ursa Major, etc. The 8 planets. The planets are made of rocks, metals and gases. They revolve around the sun on fixed paths called orbits. Planets do not have any light of their own. We can see them at night because they reflect the sun's light. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Moons. Moons are the natural satellites of the planets. They are small celestial bodies that move around the planets. They are round in shape. The inner planets, Mercury and Venus, have no moons. Earth has one large moon called Luna. It is the brightest object you see in the night sky because of its closeness to the Earth. Mars has 2 tiny moons. The large outer planets have a huge system of moons. Their moons are very large in size. Jupiter has 67 moons, of which 4 are larger than some planets. Saturn has 62 moons. Uranus has 27 moons and they are made of ice and rock. Neptune has 14 moons in all. Other celestial bodies. Apart from the planets, there are certain small objects that also move around the sun. The asteroids are small, rocky things that orbit the sun. The meteoroids are solid objects that travel in space. As they burn while entering into the Earth's atmosphere, they are also called shooting stars. Have you ever observed a shiny object moving across the sky? Well, that may be a comet. Comets are made of rock, ice and gas. They also move around the sun.